What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, for Tiki Thursday, we are going to be making something called the Coronado Luau Special. So the Coronado Luau Special was created by Bert Chan of the Luau Room in Hotel Del Coronado, which is in San Diego, in 1962. The Hotel Del Coronado is a world-famous hotel on the island of Coronado, right off the coast of San Diego, California, which is about, without traffic, maybe 2 hours, hour and a half. It all depends. I haven't been there in a while. So Chan was an original bartender of the Trader Vic bar and restaurant up in San Francisco, California, and this drink, the Coronado Luau Special, definitely pays homage to Vic's famous drink, the Scorpion or Scorpion Bull. So let's get started, shall we? First up, what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 ounces of orange juice. I'm using fresh squeezed. Orange juice is one of the juices that you can just use the commercially packaged juice because the flavor is there compared to packaged lime and lemon juices, which I always highly recommend doing fresh squeezed of. But if you can't get fresh squeezed, no shame. Perfect. Then we're gonna do 2 ounces of lemon juice. Again, fresh squeezed is always better, but if you can't, no shame. That was 1 juicy lemon. Okay, now we're gonna do 1 ounce of simple syrup, just 1-to-1 sugar syrup. Simple syrup is one of the things I just like. You gotta make your own. It's easy, you save so much money. Just boil some water. With the amount of water, for 1-to-1, you just do 1 part of boiling water, 1 part of sugar, and stir until it's dissolved and clear. So super easy, no need to buy sugar syrup. Then we're gonna do 1/4 ounce of Orgeat. You can make your own Orgeat. I'm just using BG Reynolds Orgeat. I really like their Orgeat. You can also use Monin or Torani. Those aren't as high quality because they use natural flavors, which can be just as processed as artificial flavors. If you can, make your own or use a more craft syrup that's made from real almonds. But if you can't, again, no shame, you can use whatever you want. So we're gonna do 1/4 ounce Orgeat almond syrup. Plus, it's great to support, craft producers of syrups and other ingredients. Okay, now for the alcohol. We're gonna do 1 ounce of dark Jamaican rum. I'm using Hamilton Pot Still Black Jamaican rum. Which is clocked at a healthy 46.5% ABV. About 93, I can't math, 90 proof. And then we do 1 ounce of light Puerto Rican rum. I'm just using Bacardi. You can also use Don Q Cristal. It's another great light Puerto Rican rum. It's just, fridge is making ice, okay. Then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier. Yeah, very voluminous cocktail. Ooh. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of Cognac. I'm using Courvoisier VS. You can also use grape brandy, but a lot of VS Cognacs are pretty affordable, so you can I got this for like 25 bucks at the grocery store. So, yeah. So 1/2 ounce. I do hate the bottle though, for mixing. And I like to add a dash, actually 2 dashes of Angostura orange bitters. Okay. We're gonna be adding crushed ice to our big tin. Ooh. That's good. We're gonna combine our tins. And shake. Okay, now that we got it nice and shaken, we are gonna get a pilsner glass. Any type of big glass. You can use a big tiki mug. Oh, cold. And we're not gonna strain, we're just gonna pour it in there. We're gonna add a little bit more crushed ice. We're gonna get our biodegradable straw. We are gonna get our sprig of mint. We're gonna slap it to get those oils extracted. We are gonna get flower of the season. We're gonna just clip it on there. We're gonna get our orange wheel, dehydrated orange wheel, which is not fitting. Oh well, it's not fitting. And there we have it, the Coronado Luau Special. Let's give it a sip. Definitely reminds me of a scorpion. With the Orgeat and the orange. Even though there's a hearty amount of alcohol in here, really refreshing and kind of addicting. I like it. And the Angostura orange bitters, in my opinion, gives it that nice little bit more orange. The orange and, well, there's oranges. The orange and herbs of the Angostura orange bitters really, really go well with the funkiness and boldness of the Jamaican rum. And that silkiness of the Grand Marnier, you can really taste it in there. This is really good. Really, really good. I want to sip all of it, but I have to save the rest for the thumbnail. But I digress. So thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. And then hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Well, stay safe, everyone. Stay healthy. And I will see you in the next one.